don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 0, Keswick Stars 0. Orlando Pirates is out. I'm joined by Ubaba, Umnigen, Wagamdunga.
Good morning, ebusuku. Yeah.
Man, it's not really no.
11. 6 minutes past 11. Good morning.
Not morning yet.
Yeah, okay. No, mfowethu asingene emidlalweni.
Short time.
Okay, ngicela ungikhumbuze man of the match ekugcineni.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngiphathele man of the match. uDiong akusona striker number 9. Akuyena umuntu ongathi uzomdlalisa i-false 9 ngoba akasheshi uyabona uyisinokwe slow ngolimi lwasegoli. Yabona manje ucoach wethu ithole wrong. Bese kuphinde futhi waphinde wamgcina umdlalo wonke 75 minutes ehleli egroundini engenzile utho kwenza ukuthi nomuntu ekade engamnakile aze gcine semnaka. Usilimazile lapho coach. Bese uChabazane yeah uyaphasa kamnandi yabona uyaphasa kamnandi uyasivala ispace kodwa ke ngisazombona emidlalweni enzima mangabe kuthiwa kunamadoda amqonda ngqo ngibona ukuthi imarking yakhe injani kodwa nje okwespace nengqondo nokuphasa hayi inkosi yami ukwenza kahle ya umnandi kodwa ke sizombona ukuya phambili nakuba mina ngoba iCastle Stars phela kuyona i-team encane njengendlela abantu abacabanga ngayo iyawadlala ama playoff lapha ku NFD umuntu osuke ku number 5 6 7 number 5 4 3 2 1 lapha kusuke kusho ukuthi uvele lo muntu lo kulungele ngadlala ku PSL okusho ukuthi ucoach wethu naye ubathathe kancane ama substitutions zakhe abe wrong njengoba ngisho ngithi uDiong bekufuneka ngabe usheshe wamkhipha umremi igame bingamvumi unokusho the best coach ethi systems swallow players umremi ugwinywa isystem kodwa bese mina ngithi mina mhlawumbe ucoach ngcono kuba vele ambeke ebhenjini ngoba mayembeka ngaka right lento yokukhatha ngaphakathi yamhlula egcine esenamaphutha amaningi uziyophela umdlalo kanti mhlawumbe ukube yambeke ebhenjini bese yamfaka amngenise ngangimncoma ucoach ngithi ngabantu sebe abaphambanisa uright udlala ka left idlale ka right kodwa yena umremi umfaka ngapha ngaka left enza izinto zenzeke njengamanje akasazenzi ngani ngoba ucabela umfukeng indawo noTito ubacamela indawo ngoba umfukeng ngawudlala u10 uTito kufanele adlale u10 usho ukuthi umfukeng ngoba ngeke simbeke ngaphandle ngoba igolide lethu le Pirates igolide le Pirates kufanele idlale bese yamgunya kodwa ngcono kuba umbeka ngaphandle adlalise labantu akajwayele ukubadlalisa ufana royani isidingo somkhipha besingekho ube right mayifaka usibelebele kube nje udonse umremi wafaka usibelebele amfake abe yiwinga engenzi lento akayenze kuSundowns ukuthi usibelebele ufuna attack kodwa futhi umfake emumva isidingo sokukhipha uMakhawula besingekho mfowethu mawusafaka oMariko ukhipha uHot ufaka uNdaba ufuna ukwenzani ngoba uHoto siyamazi emidlalweni emkhulu ukuthi uyawenza umehluko bengitshela abanye ngithi ha umuntu ozoswinela le game uHoto uthe mayisehlanganisa wavele wamkhipha ucoach angazi ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani umfukeng udlalile first half kodwa nakhona udlale phakathi nayo bekungagcwele kahle ngesecond round impela ubesehlula nana ukuphasa ubeseshaya iphasi ihamba igqomi emntwini lama flick onakhe lawo lithi liyafika ibhola aliflick hayi nawo bese gwembile engasaqondile kahle okusho ukuthi abafana basempumalanga bebefikile bebephethe uTikoloshe omkhulu kunowethu la Pirates mfowethu ama place kick ayiwa practice sidalo uyababona abantu abayi practice ayi place kick wabona i-team yazi ukuthi ayilaba abashaya ama-place kick amafishane.
Sure, Thando.
Kodwa i-Pirates awuyazi ukuthi ishaya mapha ama-place kick. Kanti i-place kick mawuthola i-place kick kusuke kuyithuba elikhulu lokuhlasela. Bevele beyithole beyiphasela noma bethi bayishaya, bashaya nje iswasho engathi abajimanga. Okusho ukuthi ama-place kick abawa practice. Osibisi bayakwazi ukuheda kodwa uzobabona bemile. Ubona uChabatsane sithola i-free kick. Ulenga sesenta. Hawu labantu madoda nocoach ezehambe yokhuluma nocoach lapha hey yazi le game ayipheli le generations iyaphela kale sibuku uyabona ngoba bekhuluma ngoba awuyiboni into esile kade beyihlanganisa hayi ulokhuzana asimlungisa umuntu omdala abantu abadala babamba ukuthi nasithatha ama note ngoba sifuna ukukhuluma into elandelanayo yabona abantu abadala ama notes omdawu labantu bo 65 laba yabona omdawu ama note abo babamba ngengqondo uyabona manje hayi ucoach wethu uyasiqeda and usebuyela kulamaphutha lawa ekade wenze ekuqaleni. Choice of penalty takers. How did they choose penalty takers? I'm not saying Sibisi should not have taken a penalty, but during the first half, 3 times he was trying to be Mbogazi or Siema or Chabatsane, playing those passes in between the players, and all those passes failed. He should have just kept on playing simple. So somebody who cannot pass the ball in between the players, how do you expect him to put the ball between the post and the goalkeeper? How do you expect that? So place kick, penalties, the choices of penalty takers was wrong. Yeah. So the coach must wake up. There are some players that he doesn't like and some players that he likes. Nemtangela is a good player, but sometimes it's not an offense to put him on the bench and then he can introduce him later, or sometimes allow him to enjoy the suit there. He has never sat on the suit there to enjoy the game, and put Mbata in. Sometimes he needs to see. Mbata has been giving us the best. He's our best midfielder, but he doesn't field him. Mbule is very creative. He even helped us win the alcohol cup.
Black Label.
Oh, Black Label. Oh, it's a Black Label. Yeah, Black Label. He helped us win that cup.
Yes,
but you didn't see him last week. You didn't see him this week. The same mistakes that the coach committed against Sundowns. Now we are going to Chiefs. I'm no longer sure if we are going to eat Chiefs or we're going to be eaten. I'm not sure anyway. I'm just telling the truth. Yeah. Because now, Chiefs, the one goal wonders. They can get one goal against us and then we play a draw or we lose. So the coach is not serious. He wants to prove a point. Businesses have been closed because managers wanted to prove a point. Just remember how Nokia went down. Nokia didn't buy Android. They said, no, we are Kondla. And then Samsung and other companies, they took over. They didn't see where they are today. But the biggest brands, Nokia and BlackBerry, went down the river. And the CEO of Nokia said, we didn't do anything wrong. We just... but anyway, we failed. So the coach of Pirates is following the Nokia and BlackBerry trend and is putting us deep down. If he continues like this, he needs to change against him. He needs to call these players and apologize and stop being an emotional coach. Otherwise, the chairman is watching.
Who's the man of the match?
Oh, man of the match. You remind me, Dr. Kumar.
Wow.
Dr. Kumar, you know, Dr. Kumar, because 30 seconds, his response. Well, he responded when he chat to those, when he was closing down his statement.
Yes.
He spoke like a politician. I think he can make the next best president
of South Africa.
Because he can twist the speeches. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.